Hello YouTube, and welcome to how to draw a nearly perfect circle using just a ruler and a pencil. This video will be divided into two sections. First, I will explain how to do the trick, then I will explain why it works. Let's jump right into it. First, you should mark two dots where the uppermost and leftmost parts of your circle or oval will be. Then, using a square tool or a piece of paper, find the corner by lining up the edges against those dots and mark that with a new dot. Between that point and the uppermost dot, mark equally spaced dots like this. The more of these you do, the rounder your shape will look. Draw the same number of dots equally spaced between the corner and the leftmost dot. A ruler may help with this process. Label the corner dot 0. The dot to the right of that, as well as the leftmost dot, should be labeled 1. From there, label the rest of the dots in clockwise order like so. Then connect each pair of numbers with a straight line. Now you have 1/4 of the shape. Turn your drawing 90 degrees to begin the next quarter, and use a ruler to place the new corner the same distance from what is now the top dot. Place the new leftmost dot where the corner dot and the old topmost dot intersect, using a square tool or piece of paper. Then continue the previous process of numbering and connecting. Repeat this until all 4 quarters are present. Finally, you can erase everything except the curve that forms around the inside, and you should have something that looks like a very well drawn freehand circle. Now this is very cool, but why does it work? Let's start with a square, which as we all know has 4 sides and does not look much like a circle. Note that we would get a square if, using our method, we put 0 dots in between the corner and middle ones. If we move up to an octagon, which is the shape we would get with 1 dot in between here, it has 8 sides and looks a bit more rounded than the square, but still has some sharp edges. Next, if we have 2 dots in between, we will get a shape with 12 sides, and that will look even more round. You may have noticed a pattern. Each time we add a dot, the number of sides increases by 4, because 1 pair of dots, and therefore 1 side, is added to each quarter, which adds up to 4 new sides. In order to make a truly perfect curve, you would have to make an infinite number of dots. But for drawing purposes, and to our unaided eye, just a few should do the job quite well. Thank you for watching my video on how to draw a nearly perfect circle with just a ruler and a pencil. Now you can go impress your peers and coworkers with your new skill. Please check out my channel, like this video, and consider subscribing for more.